Hey guys, we're going to work on a SBAC question that you guys are going to encounter. The SBAC question is the following. Decide whether each expression is equal to 3 times 7. So, with this kind of question, you have 4 parts. The first thing you need to do is solve 3 times 7, and then you have 3 other parts that you need to do. You need to figure out whether these match the answer to 3 times 7. So you're going to have to solve each of these in order to figure out if it's a yes, it matches to 3 times 7, or if it's a no, like it does not match to 3 times 7. So if you know your multiplication facts, that's awesome, and you could say 3 times 7 is but I'm going to pretend that I don't know my multiplication facts, and I'm going to do some equal groups. So I know if I have 3 equal groups, so I'm going to do 3 circles. I'm going to do 3 circles, and in each circle I'm just going to write 7. So I have 3 equal groups of 7. So 7, 7, 7. I know 7 plus 7 is 14. Plus the other 7 would be, well, let's see, let's break it down. 14 plus 6 would be 20, plus 1 more would be 21. So I know that 3 times 7 equals 21. Now, ooh, that looks like a really bad 21, so I'm going to fix that. Let's just type that one up. 21. Now, I have to solve the rest of them to figure out if it matches 21 for the same product. So I have 3 times 2 plus 2. I know I have 3 equal groups of 2, or 2 equal groups of 3. So again, I'm going to use, maybe this time I'm just going to draw it out, 3 equal groups of 2. So 3 equal groups of 2, that would give me 6. So 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. So I'm just going to write equals 8 so I don't forget. And is that a yes or a no? Well, definitely a no, because 21 is not the same as 8, so I'm going to mark it no. All right, let's do the following one. 3 times 5 plus 3 times 2. Well, I know this one's 6. 3 times 2 is 6. Now 3 times 5. Now I'm going to try to make this easy for myself, and I'm going to see if I can erase. I think I can erase instead of the 2's, because it's 3 equal groups of 5. So I'm just going to write 5, 5, 5. If I don't know my multiplication facts, I might do this. So 3 times 5 is 15. So this is 15 plus, well, we said 3 times 2 is 6. 15 plus 6, that's 21. So this would equal 21. So I'm going to say 21 is the same as 21, so yes. Okay, let's do the last one. Wait a minute, we already know that 3 times 5 is 15. And then we know that 3 times 2 is 6. Oh, but this one was adding it because 15, that was 15 plus 6, but now it's 15 times 6. So 15 times 6, yeah, that would be way more than 21 because it's 15 equal groups of 6. So definitely, I'm not going to even solve that because I know that that number is going to be way larger than 21. So I'm going to say no. Now try this out using your own exit ticket. Remember that it's a 4-part problem where you're going to have to solve the expression first, and then you're going to have to figure out whether each one matches to the product. Now be careful because I could have easily said yes to this one had I not seen that multiplication symbol. So you need to make sure that you are checking your work and using precision when you're solving.